Rokid might have just created the best AI AR smart glasses available. Stick around. Rokid is a tech company specializing in augmented reality glasses and AI, known for creating lightweight, stylish smart glasses that overlay digital info onto the real world for productivity, entertainment, and industrial use, featuring voice gesture controls, real-time translation, and much, much more. With that being said, Rokid launched a Kickstarter campaign on August 26, 2005 at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This campaign was highly successful, raising over $1 million within the first 72 hours. The campaign came to a conclusion on October 10, 2005, with more than $3.6 million in pledges. As you can see, Rokid's Rokid Glasses Kickstarter campaign was entirely successful, and after all the hassle of bringing the product to the market, Rokid has truly delivered an awesome product. These Rokid AR glasses are the thinnest and lightest smart glasses in the world, coming in at 49 grams, and has some of the most anticipated features that we've been wanting from Meta. I'll go ahead and quickly touch bases on those. So the first feature is going to be landscape recording, the second being dual screens with audio, and the third being an open ecosystem allowing notifications from such apps as YouTube and TikTok. The Rokid glasses have a built-in 12 megapixel camera with Sony optics and create some excellent images and video. You have the option to choose the video and still image quality as well as the aspect ratio, which I think is a huge win over Meta glasses. The Rokid glasses are also capable of translating over 89 languages, which is a game changer when it comes to traveling abroad. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take a closer look at what you get in the packaging. So as you can see, we have a picture of the Rokid glasses on the front. It does say Rokid on the box. I like how the picture of the glasses have the hologram look. On the side of the box is our pull tab and the phrase, "Leave nobody behind." And on the other side of the box, it says Rokid Glasses. Again, let's go ahead and access the side of the box where we have that pull tab. And as you can see, we have a really cool collapsible box. In the interior of the box, we have two compartments, one above the glasses and one below. Let's go ahead and place the Rokid glasses off to the side for now. So the compartment underneath the glasses is going to house two different items. The first item is going to be our charging dongle. So this is actually going to connect to a USB Type-C charging cable, with the other end housing a proprietary charger. And the charger attaches to the glasses magnetically. And on the other side of the box is our second accessory, which is going to be our replacement nose pads and nose guards. The top compartment houses a few accessories as well. This is going to be the user's manual, as well as a quick safety and warranty guide, along with a microfiber cleaning cloth. Moving on to the glasses themselves, you can see that they come in this really nice protective case. Now this isn't a charging case, however Rokid will be shipping charging cases in the beginning of February. Now it does say Rokid there on the front, and it is a tri-fold style case, meaning that it is going to protect your glasses at all angles. It also folds completely down as well, which I'll show you here in a second. Now again, the case itself is made out of a really nice, strong, durable material, yet feels really soft to help protect the Rokid glasses themselves. The case has a magnetic latch on the top here that you can easily open and access your Rokid glasses. Now as you can see, it does say Rokid along the interior, and it does have a really soft microfiber style interior, helping to ensure no scratches on your Rokid glasses. Now as you can see, the case also folds down to fit very handy and easily into your pocket. Next up, we have the Rokid glasses themselves. Let's go ahead and take them out of the protective packaging, and we also have protective packaging along both arms that we'll go ahead and remove as well. The Rokid glasses feature a powerful Snapdragon AR1 chip with ChatGPT 5. They also feature a 210 milliamp hour battery and a 4 microphone array with noise reduction. The frames are created out of a TR96 high polymer titanium, and yet still only weigh 49 grams. The Rokid glasses have the ability to record up to 10 minutes at 1680p and capture photos at 12 megapixels and feature a Sony lens. They're capable of recording 60 frames per second and feature a low light video mode with HDR. Now, a lot of people were asking me if these were similar to the Even Reality's G1, and they are similar in certain ways. However, I think these are better in several different ways, And of course, one of the biggest things that Even Realities likes to showcase about their glasses is that they have no cameras and they have no audio. So those are two things that I actually really love about these glasses. So having the dual monochrome display with the camera and the audio is amazing to have all together in one package. Now I can see the Even Realities G1 being relevant in certain situations, such as in a conference room or maybe in a specific area where privacy is an issue, where there can't be any cameras or you don't want any audio going off while you're listening maybe to a presentation, or you're somewhere where you can't have any distractions or interruptions or cameras. Then I can see the Even Realities being a perfect choice. And if you guys missed that video, I will have it linked down below. Now, a really cool feature about these Rokid glasses is that you can actually plug them in to charge and keep using them on the go. The Rokid glasses also offer one of the widest ranges of prescription lenses that I've seen available, from -16 to +16. And just for reference, the Meta Smart glasses, they only feature a prescription lens range of -4 to +4. Now that we've taken a closer look at the glasses, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the app that comes associated with the Rokid glasses, and that is the Hi Rokid app. Alright guys, so jumping into the application, you can see at the top it does say home. We also have the option there for a plus button, so we're able to add certain options and devices. I'll go ahead and get into that here in a little bit later. We also have a settings option there on the top right, and we also have our battery percentage. This is going to be our main menu. Jumping into speech translation, you can see we have different options here. So we have different options for the display settings. You can refine those settings. You can do a bilingual view as well as a face speaker. But when you do the bilingual view, you're going to have to actually pay a service fee, which I'll make a future video about, which there are several different things that you need to pay for with these glasses. However, the main functionalities of these glasses are free. Next, I found that the teleprompter feature is very helpful when it comes to writing and reciting YouTube video scripts. And I've yet to do a presentation. However, I do have one coming up here where I will be using the teleprompter live. Next up, we have the Google Maps integration. Now, the Maps feature on the Rokid glasses are amazing. You are actually able to see the turn-by-turn directions and also get audio in the glasses as well. So I think this is a really cool and amazing feature. You do have to use Google Maps. If you use Apple Maps, you will only receive audio and not visual directions. And I found this feature to be extremely useful when navigating. Next up is the voice memos or voice notes recording feature. And in my opinion, this is one of the awesome, cool little small features that are added that make sense in daily life, so you can jot down memories and thoughts so you don't forget about them. We also have notification management, so you can go through all of the apps that you have here and turn on and off notifications that you want coming through the Rokid glasses. From here, you can also determine how long you want the message to stay on the glasses. I put 10 seconds, that way I can fully read the message before it disappears. Next is your call management system. This is going to be where you import your contacts, you allow incoming call announcements, and head controls, giving you hands-free functionality. Now, a pretty cool feature that's coming to the Rokid glasses very soon is the ability to pay with the glasses themselves. So you'll be able to enable a glasses payment system that you'll be able to pay for an item at a glance. The Hi Rokid menu itself actually gives you a full breakdown of a user guide on how to use the Rokid glasses if you need one. All the way at the bottom of the page is how we're going to navigate through all these different sections of the app. You can see the first page there is Assistant, then we have Home, then we have Gallery, and we have Me, which the Me section is what I'm showing here. Here is the Gallery section where we can import all of our videos and photos, which I have already done, and I will give you samples here in a second. You can see here we even have the option to switch from ChatGPT to something that Rokid offers. However, obviously ChatGPT is far more advanced than what Rokid has to offer currently, so I do have it set to that. Now, there are several different functionalities and options that you are able to change in the Hi Rokid app, so I have to say kudos to Rokid for actually adding all the appropriate settings and things that you need to locate and find here in the Hi Rokid app. Now, I went ahead and navigated into the glasses settings, and as you can see, again, there are several different things that you can turn on and off here. So we do have view detection. We have our screen off, so you can turn the screen off completely if you need to do so. And here deep in the settings, you can see we have the option for our different photo settings: 4K at 3.4, 4K at 9:16, and 3K at 4:3. So those different aspect ratios and resolutions are available to switch here in the app. And here are the video settings that you can change: 3K 30 FPS 9:16, 2.5K 30 FPS at 3.4. So yeah, I really appreciate the option to adjust these settings. Let's go ahead and take a look at some video and photos. I'm going to go ahead and step into the light, let you guys check them out, how they look in the direct sunlight. So this is how they're going to look. I'll go ahead and look around, let you guys see if you can see anything going on with the lenses. Let me know if they look funny in any way. But yeah, so this is what they're going to look like in the direct sunlight. I'm going to go ahead and step into the light, let you guys check them out, how they look in the direct sunlight. So this is how they're going to look. I'll go ahead and look around, let you guys see if you can see anything going on with the lenses. Let me know if they look funny in any way. But yeah, so this is what they're going to look like in the direct sunlight. So this is how they're going to look in the shade. These are actually going to be added to the daily glasses that I wear. I do have a big collection. I'll go ahead and let you guys see my collection if you'd like. Let me know down in the comments section if you'd like to see that. So yeah, I'm happy with these Rokid glasses. Alright guys, so I'm just walking normally here on some grass. It's an uneven surface, uneven terrain, and kind of checking out the stability and stabilization. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and check out how close I can get to these needles. So right now I'm about 1 foot away. So this is also an audio test, so let me know how the audio sounds as well. Go ahead and get closer. So I'm about 6 inches away, and now I'm right up close to it. So I'm hoping that I'm able to get really close to subjects so I can do some unboxings with these. Now let's go ahead and walk up here. As you can see, I'm at my local park. Let's go ahead and get this view. You can see the grass is nice and green. Let's take a look at the color saturation. In my opinion, they're really nice. Extremely lightweight, 49 grams, which, if I'm not mistaken, is probably some of the thinnest and lightest AR AI smart glasses right now. I can definitely wear them for long sessions. I've been using the Rokid AI AR smart glasses for around a week now, and I have to say that I'm extremely impressed with these smart glasses. They are my favorite smart glasses to date. Now, previously, the Meta Ray-Ban displays were the my favorite ones because obviously they had a screen in it and they were from Meta. But I think having these dual monochrome displays with the camera and audio built in so you can still hear music is a game changer. Also, not being locked into that Meta ecosystem is also a game changer for me. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to be notified of future content. So again, the Rokid glasses, in my opinion, are one of the best smart glasses available. If you're interested in picking some up, I will have these glasses linked below. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you guys for watching. My name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.